Hi everyone, it's great to see you. Look at how beautiful this coneflower is. I just think this is spectacular. I love the color to this. This is a double scoop watermelon. And I have some double scoop raspberry beret, which have done very well this year. This is the first year that I managed to put some protection around them before they bloomed, and the bunnies didn't eat them all. So I'm very proud of myself. And because of that success, when I saw this one, I knew it had to come home. I just love how soft they look. They're actually kind of prickly on top, but they look like little, I don't know, pom-poms on top of the flowers here. And I love that. And this watermelon color is actually a little bit more pink than the raspberry beret, although that is nice and pinky mauve too. And I'm just gonna pop this in now. These like a lot of water and a lot of sun and a lot of protection from bunny rabbits. So I think they will be very, very happy here. Now, I'm assuming that other people have trouble with rabbits and your coneflowers, and I see these huge clumps of coneflowers around. So I'd love to know, what are you doing to protect your coneflowers from critters eating them? Especially, hopefully, as I start getting a bigger and bigger clump of this, what are you recommending that I would do? So for now, I'm going to go grab a quick little cage to put over this. I'll be right back. Oh, that's going to fit perfect. I love this. And it's just going to add another bright component. The great thing with these coneflowers is they go a little later in the summer too, so we keep that beautiful color going. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.